yo, dude, what is going on, man? Was there any secret tips or whatever? And I'd say, yeah, you take care of your skin.
Can you believe it? Rob Lowe is 60 years old and still rocking that youthful glow like he's 35. It's pretty amazing, right? It's like he's discovered the ultimate anti-aging secret. Now, doesn't that make you wonder? How does Robert Lowe manage to defy the sands of time? It's a question that's been on the minds of fans everywhere. From his early days on screen to his current projects, Robert Lowe has always captivated audiences with his charm and charisma. But what's the secret sauce for looking so darn good? In this video, we'll talk about Rob Lowe's exercise routine. Plus, we will give you the top foods he eats to be healthy and the foods to avoid. So, stay tuned until the end for some useful tips you can start using right away. Rob Lowe, born on March 17, 1964 in Charlottesville, Virginia, is an American actor known for his captivating performances on both the big and small screens. At 60 years old, Lowe continues to charm audiences with his timeless appeal. With a career spanning over 4 decades, Lowe has established himself as a versatile talent in the entertainment industry. Beyond his acting prowess, Rob Lowe is renowned for his commitment to health and fitness. Despite the passing years, he maintains a remarkably youthful and healthy appearance that has left fans in awe. His dedication to regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and proper skincare routines are often cited as the secrets behind his ageless glow. So, what is Rob Lowe's secret to looking ageless? His exercise routine. Rob Lowe's approach to exercise is not just about breaking a sweat, it's about prioritizing longevity and injury prevention.
Well, I'm very lucky that I enjoy activity. So, left to my own devices, I'm outside all the time. I do something every day. I'm one of those people that has to push myself to rest.
Here's how he does it. Balanced workout regimen. Lowe understands the importance of variety in his workouts. By blending cardio, weight training, and yoga, he engages different muscle groups and reaps the benefits of each form of exercise. Cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, or swimming are fantastic for improving heart health. Strength training exercises such as lifting weights or body weight exercises like squats and push-ups are essential for building muscle mass and strength. By challenging the muscles, weight training helps improve bone density, joint health, and overall functional fitness. And yoga offers a multitude of health benefits like physical and mental. It enhances flexibility, balance, and posture, reducing the risk of injuries and promoting better body alignment. Yoga also improves muscle strength and endurance, particularly in the core, while simultaneously reducing stress and promoting relaxation through controlled breathing and meditation. Moderation. Rather than just pushing himself to the limit every day, Lowe practices moderation. Exercising no more than 3 times per week allows his body ample time to rest and recover between sessions. This approach prevents burnout, reduces the risk of overuse injuries, and promotes long-term adherence to his fitness routine. Value of walking. Despite his busy schedule, Lowe doesn't overlook the power of walking. He finds it to be a meditative and mentally rejuvenating activity. Walking provides him with an opportunity to clear his mind, connect with nature, and recharge his batteries. Lowe's appreciation for the simplicity of walking highlights the profound impact that small, everyday activities can have on overall well-being. Injury prevention. Lowe prioritizes exercises and activities that prioritize injury prevention and overall longevity. Incorporating stretching and low-impact exercises into his routine helps maintain flexibility, joint mobility, and muscle elasticity. His healthy diet. Rob Lowe's commitment to health extends beyond exercise. It's also reflected in his dietary choices. Here's how he maintains a balanced approach to nutrition. Whole foods. Lowe prioritizes whole, nutrient-dense foods in his diet. These foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support the overall health and well-being. Balanced meals. Lowe ensures that his meals are well-rounded and balanced. For breakfast, he might enjoy Greek yogurt with berries and homemade granola.
I might have a protein shake, Greek yogurt with some sort of maybe paleo granola.
Lunch typically consists of a chopped salad with chicken, offering a satisfying blend of nutrients and flavors.
Like all kinds of interesting salads with meat in them.
For snacks, Lowe opts for cheese and nuts, providing a protein-packed pick-me-up, and for dinner, he keeps it simple yet nutritious with grilled steak and veggies, accompanied by a low-carb shake for a guilt-free dessert, adjusting carbohydrate intake. As he's aged, Lowe has made adjustments to his carbohydrate intake, cutting down on pasta and bread and focusing more on proteins and healthy fats, avoidance of processed sugars and unhealthy fats. Recognizing the detrimental effects of processed sugars and unhealthy fats on health, Lowe steers clear of them by minimizing his intake of sugary snacks, sodas, and processed foods high in unhealthy fats. He reduces the risk of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease.
I realized I could no longer eat like a teenager. So the low carb, healthy protein, low sugar.
His sleep schedule. Lowe recognizes that sleep is non-negotiable. He aims for at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night, understanding its importance for physical appearance, cognitive function, and overall health. By prioritizing sufficient rest, he ensures that his body and mind are adequately rejuvenated for the day ahead. Rob Lowe serves as a shining example that age is truly just a number. By incorporating principles like regular exercise, balanced nutrition, sufficient sleep, and mindfulness into his daily routine, he defies the conventional notions of aging. His commitment to health and wellness showcases that with dedication and smart choices, anyone can feel and look at their best regardless of their age. It's a reminder that taking care of ourselves, both physically and mentally, is the key to living a vibrant and fulfilling life at any stage.